Want to turn off Quick Add on Snapchat on your phone? In this video, I will show you how. Quick Add is now called Find Friends. If you want to turn it off, then first of all, launch open the Snapchat app on your device. Next, you want to tap on the chat icon. Now, tap on the plus icon at the top of your screen. Here, under Find Friends, you will find different contacts. If you want to remove them, simply tap on this cross icon. Next thing you can do is head over to your settings. For that, tap on the profile icon. Now tap on the gear icon to open up settings. Scroll down and head to the privacy control section. Here find See Me in Find Friends, select that. Now go ahead and uncheck this box. After this, head back. Now scroll down and get to the Account Action section. Here, find Contact Syncing. Toggle the option off, then tap on Remove Sync Contacts from Snapchat. Tap on Confirm. Once you do that, you have successfully turned off Quick Add on Snapchat, and that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.